Want to add an extra layer of credibility to your Upwork profile and make it easier for clients to verify your professional background? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link your LinkedIn profile to Upwork. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Connecting your LinkedIn profile creates a powerful connection between your professional networks and gives clients a more complete picture of your experience and endorsements. Let's connect them in just a few clicks. First, go to your Upwork profile settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Contact Info section where you'll find the option to connect social accounts. Look for the LinkedIn option and click Connect. Upwork will open a new window asking you to log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already. This is a secure, official integration between the two platforms. Once logged in, you'll see a permissions screen. LinkedIn will ask what information Upwork can access. Review these permissions and click Allow to proceed. This enables Upwork to display your LinkedIn profile publicly on your Upwork profile. A crucial pro tip: before connecting, make sure your LinkedIn profile is complete and professional. Clients often check both profiles, so consistency between them builds trust. Ensure your job titles, work history, and skills align across both platforms for maximum credibility. After connecting, your LinkedIn profile will appear in the Other Experiences section of your Upwork profile. This gives clients quick access to your recommendations, full work history, and professional network, all of which can significantly boost your credibility. And just like that, you've created a powerful professional bridge between two key platforms. This simple connection can make a big difference in building client trust. If this guide helped you strengthen your profile, please give it a like. Have you noticed a difference after connecting your profiles? Share your experience in the comments below. To continue securing your account, subscribe for our next video on how to verify your email on Upwork. Thanks for watching.